Welcome to English Conversation Hub. Today's video is a special one. It's a farewell speech example for your last working day at the office. Whether you're saying goodbye to colleagues, ending an internship, or moving on to new opportunities, this sample speech will help you express your feelings in fluent, professional English. Watch, listen, and practice the phrases to improve your confidence in workplace communication. Good morning, everyone. Today is a bittersweet moment for me as I stand here on my last working day with this amazing team. It's never easy to say goodbye, especially when you've spent such a meaningful part of your life surrounded by wonderful people, valuable experiences, and countless memories. First and foremost, I want to express my sincere gratitude to each and every one of you. Thank you for your support, your encouragement, and your friendship. Whether we worked together directly or shared a quick chat during lunch breaks, you've all contributed to making my journey here truly special. To my managers and mentors, thank you for believing in me, guiding me, and challenging me to grow. Your leadership has shaped my professional path in more ways than one. To my teammates, you've not just been colleagues, but collaborators, supporters, and friends. We've shared tight deadlines, successful projects, and yes, even those stressful moments. But we got through it all together. This organization has taught me more than just technical or professional skills. It has taught me the value of teamwork, patience, and resilience. The experiences and learnings I've gained here will stay with me wherever I go. Although I'm moving on to a new chapter in my career, I carry with me the warmth, knowledge, and connections from this wonderful workplace. Please know that this goodbye is not the end. I hope to stay in touch, and I will always cheer for your success from afar. Thank you once again for everything. Wishing all of you the very best in your professional and personal lives. Keep growing, keep learning, and keep being amazing. Take care and goodbye for now. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.